All right, everyone, so I figured I should give you an update on this. It has been a pain in the butt, but we have replaced the brushes, had a complete engine service on it that we performed, and then we sent the boards out to be rebuilt. There's a gentleman up north that rebuilds these boards. Whenever we had contacted Miller, one of the boards was no longer available. One was $3,300, the other one was like $800. So I wasn't putting $4,000 in boards in this thing. I sent them off to this gentleman. I'll include his details in the link below. And he was able to get all three boards redone for about $1,200, which was awesome. He helped me get part numbers for no knobs and stuff that are coming here soon. And yeah, so not only do we have the glow plugs working now, but also all the functions work. It puts out AC power on both 120 and 240. Great little machine. We got it painted up here. It's all nice and pretty. But unfortunately, I got an offer made on this machine and it is going to a new home. Trailer and all, I'd like to keep it, but I have another opportunity that is knocking that we'll have on the channel soon. And because of that, we've got to make some room. We've also got to get that enclosed trailer that we painted up sold as well. So these are awesome little machines, definitely heavily built. They could do just about anything. The one big weakness on them is the PC boards. So if you're running into one of these 350D Trailblazers or the 302s or a lot of the similar families in this lineup, just be aware the engine, the diesel engine, the Kubota is not going to let you down. It's going to be those PC boards. And even though this machine's only about 20 years old, some of those parts are no longer available through Miller. So I was very blessed to find somebody that was very competent and was able to help us get it up and running. But for me, I'm probably going to go with something a little bit simpler, especially since this is overkill for a lot of what we do. But anyway, hope you like the blue. I think that's a really pretty blue, and we might have a tractor painted that blue real soon. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This is a short one, as always, all the way.